Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Darice's Daily Deeds. Today I just want to come on here to pretty much go over some of the items that I have been purchasing lately. I'm really excited about them. It's not going to be a lot of items. I think I'm going to break it down, I should say, per category. Today I combined like 2 different categories, and yeah, I just kind of want to go over here. Come on here and just talk about, what I've been liking, what I've got, what I'm excited about. And I thought this would be the perfect place to come on and share that. And, hopefully you get some recommendations, or I could be of some help in case you've been thinking about purchasing some of these items, you've been on the fence, or, something like that. Before we get into that, how about you guys go ahead and subscribe? Follow me on all my socials. On Instagram, I'm at the @the_queen_D. Facebook, I'm under Darice VIB, and that'll all be linked down below. But most importantly, we're on YouTube, so I just want you to subscribe. Goodness, I can't talk today. Subscribe to my channel, and we will go ahead and get started. First things first. So you all probably know that the Sephora VIB sale, God, I cannot talk today. It just passed. So basically, I picked up, literally, when I say a couple items, I mean a couple, literally, of items. And things that I kind of been wanting to purchase that I'm excited about. And one of the items that I got was actually a really good deal. I'm not a big, well, let me say this. I'll leave that to another video. But yeah, the VIB sales, or, whatever they call these sales that they're having nowadays, they honestly have moved me back down to Insider, which I was a little upset about. But hey, what can you do? I'm not going to make a big fuss about it, but I still want to get something to kind of take advantage of at least some of the percentages off that they were offering. And then, the items that I got were things that I kind of been wanting. So nothing really new. But anyways, I'll go ahead and just get started and show you what I got from there. So first things first, I got and I'm so excited about this item. This is the Too Faced Sex on the Peach. I know, so raunchy, but yeah, that's what this is called. But this is a kit, and oh my goodness, what's so exciting about this is the fact that it comes with a full-size mascara and a full size of the powder, and then a travel size of the actual primer and the mattifying setting spray. So I had kind of been wanting to try this. I just had never really got around to purchasing it. So when I seen this box, and this was I think it was $45 plus I got 10% off, I want to say. So that was a really good deal, because I think one of the items alone may be close to that. But yeah, I was excited about this. This is my favorite mascara anyway. So I was out of this, and then I'm like, wait a minute, I've been wanting to try this other stuff. So I thought this was a great buy. Yeah, and then I've heard nothing but good things about this peach collection anyway, and it smells good, so that's always a bonus. So that's one of the things that I purchased that I'm excited about. And then the final thing, because literally when I said I bought a couple of things, that's what I meant. Sorry, I'm reaching down like that. I finally got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. And when I tell you that this had matched my skin tone so perfectly, it did. Like, and then the tube is just so cute. Like, it is just, when I had swatched it, I was like, you can't even, can you even see? You can barely really see that. It's just so perfect. I just had to have it. And I literally was like, no, I'm not even going to support this sale this time. I'm not buying anything because I was upset about it, my status now. But I couldn't pass up on the fact that then they have this in the store now. That was another thing that I was like kind of amazed by, because for the longest time I could have sworn that they did not have the actual foundations in the store. So that really excited me when I seen that they had this. So yeah, these are the 2 items I purchased from the sale. And now, while we are talking about makeup, this is something else that I bought from the drugstore that it's been people have been raving about it lately. So I thought I would go ahead and talk about what I got. I got this, and I know this color is like really dark, but I ended up getting the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. Obviously, I haven't tried this yet because I've realized that this is like maybe 2 shades too dark for me. I do have something I can lighten it up with, but I'm really excited to try this. I mean, I hear a lot of people say that it's a really good foundation. I love foundation, so I'm always, you know, happy when they come out with something new, and especially when it's affordable. And I think I had a coupon, so I got this for a really good rate. So either way it goes, if I have to end up, you know, lightening it, I'm not too upset. I didn't spend a lot of money for it, but this is one of the other makeup items that I purchased. Now next is, well, I'm pretty sure you all heard that Hunter and Target did a collaboration. So what I did, which didn't work out in my favor like I thought it would, but I went onto the website like at 12 o'clock on the dot, thinking I was gonna be able to get the boots. No, of course they said that the boots were delayed. I was upset. And then I think at 12 o'clock, it didn't even really launch at that time. I didn't honestly get to purchase anything until maybe like the next morning. I like stayed up for nothing. So I was all in a frenzy about that. But once I did finally get to make a purchase, you know, and of course it wasn't the boots because they weren't available at the time. And I just kind of said, forget it, maybe it's not meant. But I was able to get a couple of the items. Now these items sold out fast, really, really fast. I don't know, I swear, as I was shopping, some of the stuff was just saying, you know, it looked like it was saying you could add it to your cart. Then when you went back, it was gone. So I was really lucky, and I'm really happy that I was able to pick up what I did. So first things first, let me go ahead and start with that. I picked up I'm still in the box, so excuse me. I got these slides. Here they are. This is what are these called? I don't know. They're so comfy too. I have a hard time finding slides that fit my feet well. I have big feet, so whatever. Yeah, this is a size 10. Okay, so this is my size. Sometimes I have to go bigger in slides depending on the slide, and we'll get into that in a minute. But yeah, these are the pink. Aren't they so cute? And look, they say Hunter on the back. Oh, they're so adorable. Yeah, these are called, I guess, just the slides. They were $25, which was a steal. Of course, I couldn't let $25 Hunter slides pass. Well, I couldn't pass up $25 Hunter slides, even though I didn't necessarily need them. I just thought they were so cute. And then, of course, they're limited edition. So I'm so happy I was able to get my hands on these. So this is a purchase that I'm really happy about. Now, the next thing was more of an impulse buy. It was more so like, okay, I don't really need anything, and I'm just shopping around. What should I get? So what I did do is I ended up picking up this, which I think I may actually be returning. I don't know. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to. It's a rubber bag. And I don't know what I was thinking. It's called, yeah, rubber tote bag. I don't know about this. It kind of like got bent up in the box. So it has like this line here that I'm not, you guys probably can see it now. I'm not a big fan of that. So I don't know about this one. But these were the two items that I ended up being able to purchase. So I was happy that I was able to get my hands on some of this stuff. Then I'm like, maybe I should resell it. Is this stuff going for, you know, are people, you know, reselling this at higher prices? I'm going to have to research that. But I don't know if I'm going to keep that bag either way it goes. So, oh well. But I do want to still see. I wanted to get like the umbrella, which they were saying wasn't available online. And the boot, which I think they did stock up on those or finally get them in stock, but when I went to look, they were gone. So I was upset about that. Whatever. So without further ado, let me move on to, I guess this will be the last item of this haul, because I didn't really, yeah, like I said, I wasn't going to make this super long. So while we are talking about slides, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm super excited about these slides here that I purchased. These are the Tory Burch Lena slide, I'm sorry. And this, oh my goodness, let me just box it back up. I can never get it back in the box good like it was, but look at this packaging. Aren't they so cute? Now these were a little bit on the pricier slide. I want to say they maybe were like $159, but whatever. They are just so cute. Now these I had to get in a size 11, and I'm glad I did because they're leather on the top. Here, let me go ahead and just show them to you so you can get a feel for them. Look at that. They're black. So, you know, a tone down from the pink that you just seen. And I just been wanting a pair of black kind of luxury slides. So I thought these were a great start to that. I love Tory Burch. I think she makes just really cute things. So yeah, I went ahead and just picked these up. They're just so cute. Just simple, nothing too important, but I'm just really excited about these. So in case you guys were thinking about just trying to get a slide that wasn't like, you know, expensive as maybe like a Gucci slide, but you still wanted something that was, you know, designer, but not breaking the bank per se, I would definitely say go with these. So yes, I love this. I love this box. It's so cute. Okay, that is it for this video. I definitely am happy with my purchases. Like I said, the only thing that I'm really regretting is maybe that bag. That foundation's the wrong color, but whatever, it happens. And other than that, yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think in the comments. Again, I'm going to be making videos more consistently. So, you know, I'm going to try to at least get out 2 videos a week starting off. And then progressively, I'll try to get into 3 videos a week. And of course, I just love your feedback. I want to hear what you guys are thinking about the channel. And just let me know. Thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, I'll just go ahead and say that again. And have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.